Hello, this is just a down and dirty video. I saw that YouTube did not have any repair videos on this particular model. This is a GE Profile microwave. It has all the controls on the door, it has no side controls. The door is the entire size of the microwave. This is what you do if the thing just quits, has no display, no power. Open the door, nothing going on inside. Normally, it's a blown fuse. On this particular model, it's not like the other YouTube videos you'll see. This, you have to take the top off, which is the top and side, which is that panel right there. I'll show you how to assemble it when I go together. It's just a down and dirty video. I didn't have time to video when I was taking this thing apart. But basically, your power transformer is right here in the top of the unit. So you got the front, look over the top, right here. And right there is your fuse holder. The fuse that was in this is a glass 20 amp 125 volt fuse. And you see this one's pretty blown. So I'm going to go ahead and pop a new one in here. I spent $6.97 on a 2-pack from Ace Hardware. Oop, there it goes. Specifically, these are microwave fuses. I checked. They're the same size, same amperage. Just for food for thought, when I looked at the GE website, they wanted $40 for one fuse. So 2 for $6.95 is not a bad deal. Let me just go ahead and open these up. There we go. Of course, I make this stuff so you can't open it. Here we go. There we go. And let's see here. Let's get this fuse put in here. Line it up. Push it in. Push it in. That's all it should need. There we go. Now a new fuse is in. Now, of course, these aren't glass, so you can't tell if it blows unless you use an ohm meter. But pretty much it's going to be that if it quits, all the power goes out. So to put this together, you put the top on from the back and you slide it forward. It slides into this little groove here. There'll be another machined edge that goes inside that. So let me show you here. I'll just put this here for now. Okay, so we got this top panel goes down the sides, and then what I'm talking about here is you got this edge right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes onto this sheet metal piece right here. So you got to start in the back. Start in the back here. And kind of line it up and just push it forward, and it'll lock in there. Okay, now to put this together, you've got the tricky ones. You got screws in the bottom. You got here in the bottom, you're going to have, looks like a screw here somewhere and a screw in the back. Anyways, the bottom edge has got 2 screws on each side. You're going to have screws in the side you got to put in. And then the back has got tamper-proof, or actually tamper-resistant screws. Now the tamper-resistant screws, they're not as scary as they sound. They're these little dilly bops. But unfortunately, put the tamper-resistant little nub in the middle, down far enough where you can still use an average torque driver to get them out. They're not tight. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off and put it together, and I'll get back to you when it's together. Okay, there you go. Reinstalled. Got power, says ready. And I've already had a cup of hot water. Oh, that's hot. Just add 30 seconds. Working normally. That's what it takes to replace the fuse in a GE Profile.